talaga. Ayan. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Dito na kami ngayon sa Berlin. Maghanap kami ng makakainan. Ayan. Nag-i-snow talaga dito guys. Woo! Walking in the snow. Hindi kami makakuha ng picture. Because my...
There's a U-Bahn.
Ha?
Said up there's a U-Bahn. Subway.
Subway.
See the U?
Okay. Oops! Snow, snow.
Where it snows.
Pakimis no sa mukha ko. Di ba nagapakimis no sa mukha ko? Kami ngayon guys, nag-ikot-ikot. Yan. Have okay. Video muna ako dito. May magandang building. Train. So, we go in the train station, walk.
Yeah, walk all the way to the end.
Yes. Balik kami guys kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. We don't know where we're going.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing.
Yes. We're gonna walk under the train station.
MRT.
MRT. I show you how the MRT here.
These are out of the wind.
Oh, ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig, ang lamig. It's windy, it's windy. Yes. Finally, we are here. Ganyan ang platform ng kanilang MRT. Yan ang platform nila. Yan ang train track, train railways.
Tell you always over that way so nobody push you in.
Huh?
I said, here are crazy people.
Really? Oo. Why they don't have put like
Huh?
ganyan pala. Dito sa may Greek restaurant. What is this? Greek restaurant. Ayan, see you. Oops. With candle pa yan guys ha. See? May pang-appetite pa kami doon. Oh.
Eingeladen, da ist noch Festmann. Ihr habt sie so. Also heute ist es auch schon seit gestern. Was haben wir heute? Kann das erstellen, mal für jemanden heute.
Hindi ko maubos-ubos guys, ang dami pa oh. Sarap kasi ng pagkain. Dinner date at great restaurant with my special man. Dinner date with candlelight. With candlelight, guys. Jack maibos, nagadulaw na eh. Guys, nasa gitna kami ng mga kaisno-isnuhan. Galing kami nag-dinner. Nag-dinner kami. Paglabas namin sa restaurant, ayan, lumilipad na naman yung mga snow. Kaya lumilipad na naman ang mga snow, guys. Tignan nyo. Galing kami nag-dinner. Kaya pauwi na kami. Where you going? We go this way.
Yeah, we have to talk.
Yes. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Pauwi na kami, nag-dinner kami.
No snow.
Kumain kami dyan sa may Greekish restaurant. Hindi ko naubos yung pagkain ko, sobrang dami. I did not finish my food. It's too much.
Me either.
And my fiancé also. Because it's too much. How much is that?
Huh?
How much? How much that we eat?
50 euro, 58.
58 euro. Oh. That is almost 2,000. 2,000.
Almost what?
2,000 pesos. 2,000 pesos.
And we didn't clean up our plates.
Yes. Yan, we did not finish it. Because it's too much. Pauwi na kami, punta na kami sa aming bahay. Sa rinintahan naming bahay. Nag-rent kami ng hotel. Sobrang lamig, grabe.